Another campsite, $15.some. Not the best, but it's a back lot, got a little bit of shade. I wish I went down there. More shade than here. This place for the front tire and put a new stem in. And just losing the shade, got the new plug in, mount the tire, throw it back on the bike. Balance it. Well, I tell you, it's a hot one today. Nothing, no shade, no nothing. Morning shade, afternoon sun. That's the last way you want it. Morning sun, afternoon shade. My lips are so cracked. Here's supper and breakfast. That's been somewhat effective. Not the best campsite I've ever been at. It's only a quarter mile to the Honda dealer. In case I blew something today. Yeah, it looks like I got it together. Feels good. Underneath the coat, got ice. Dogs all. Nice.